Energy has omitted established in 2008 at this right moment. After more than 10 years of focusing innovation, O-Cell Technology has become a high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D, production, sales and service of lithium iron phosphate, cathode materials, and power supply systems. Its products are widely used in motive power, energy storage, UPS power supply, 5G communications, and other fields. And after more than 10 years of hard work, of product performance and good strong research and development team in the whole field here, O-Cell established Industry University Research Cooperation with Harbin Institute of Technology University, Shanghai Electric Power University, Hubei University, Three Gorges University, and other universities. O-Cell owns nearly 100 patents. Led by technology and driven by innovation. In the process of cell manufacturing, we strive for perfection and continue to optimize production processes such as mixing, coating, electrode making, assembly, and aging test to ensure cell yield and batch consistency. Each cell has an explosion-proof device, and the cell abuse performance is stable. It has passed the lithium battery standard test for electric vehicles and meet the requirements of International Battery Directive. It has obtained UL, CB, UN 38.3, and other certifications. The cell is safe, reliable, and stable.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.